Wow, look how clear it is. Sometimes when I pass through here, it's like rainy, gloomy, waterfalls coming from this mountains. These mountains. Speak. Okay. Oh my gosh, it smells like fart. Oh my gosh, it smells like poop. Anyway, we're here across the cemetery, right? And then we're like, oh, we gotta go and get flowers. We can never fucking just go and get flowers. Look at this shit. I wanted to leave with a purple happy birthday balloon, but we're like, oh, this is more cute for Isla. He's the one that was like, ooh, banana mochi, and wasn't getting it. And I was like, what the heck? And then like he was leaving with that. He didn't want to get me the purple donkey bag. Show the flowers. It's here somewhere. Oh my god, it's all the way back there. Stop laughing. Oops, sorry. The trouble we went through to find him. Oh, because you guys covered the name in food, so we kept bypassing him. We're like, I swear he was here somewhere. Rude. Grandpa, they cover your name. It's not my fault. Did you put this?
No.
Well, but you left these, huh? Oh, the stems are so long. It looks funny. I should. Yeah.
Money?
It looks so crazy. So weird. Nah. Brandon's first time to the temple. He's gonna gong the gong. Gong the bell, bruh. Yes, that's what I like to hear. Okay, we'll try it. We'll try it.
Doing.
Doing.
Where do you get the...
It's hot. Over there. Over there, in there. Can we add more fish? I've never seen so many fish.
If they're hungry, go buy food already.
Yeah. Do it. Oh my god. What's that? Hey, we just came out of there and I actually got stuff this time. What are we getting from here? I put my little goodies in here. Maybe I should have put on my bracelet, huh, Brandon? Guess your guess.
Cool.
Do they take cash here too, or no?
I don't know.
Guess what we got? What's that, Brandon?
Mango.
You couldn't wait till we get home to have bangles? Anyways, this is our first time trying the sugarcane juice. The first initial taste is what the heck. But I mean, as you keep drinking it, it's pretty good. I like it. And then it's a tapioca with pineapples. I want to taste. Ah. Oh, it's warm. See, this is how I always eat my mangoes. How come you don't cut it like that? That's crazy. Our view for now. If anybody that lives here and is coming to the Byodo-In Temple, it is not free anymore for Kama'aina. She was like, oh, because we were showing our IDs, and she was like, okay, I'll just charge for one of you $4. What the heck? I mean, I guess $2 each, but why? The other times I've been here, it's been free. But I don't know. It's because it's busy right now. Look, Brian really wanted to do this. He's feeding the fish. Make it jump. Make it jump. Make it. Throw it in another direction so they all swim that way. This way. They're all swimming. Oh my god. Now he's feeding the birds. I'm so done. Sir, don't call the birds here, please. You are. You are though. You are. Stop it. Oh my god. Look at this one. That's crazy. All the fish are waiting. No, bro, not here. Don't you dare. No, stop it. Nah. Brandon, look at this bird. No, you're not doing that here. Get out of here. Let me know if you're gonna scare them or not. Okay, thank you for the heads up, sir. You're like, nah, bruh. Feed it to the fish. There's so many of them. Sir, no. No, stop it. Feed it to the fish. To the fish. To the fish. No, stop doing that here, dude. Don't you know what that means? He's trying to mate. Is that your last of it? Oh my. Look, 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 look. Look, they're all bunched right here.
I know.
Oh, like they're sitting on top of each other.
Yeah.
I need a shower. Oh, you stopped?
No.
Okay, you can stop right now. See you later, Temple. Brandon's leaving me.
It's hot.
Later, Temple.
Shoots.
Okay. Look, we got KFC. We're finally home. We're gonna give this to her.
Balloon.
Wow. What's that? Heart. Balloon. Let's go.
I'll grab the milk.
I forgot show it earlier, but I'm already wearing it. Look. What I bought at the temple.
Can I have some?
Yeah.
Brandon's like, no need, it's so expensive. And I was like, do you know how many times I came here and didn't get anything from here? I was sad. Oh my god, Pop Mart. Oh no, I forgot to check out. Anyway, I'll show you the food after. Wow. It looks like pigs in a blanket. Yes, I'm eating it with rice because what the heck, man. Hey, what happened to all the nuggies and fries?
I didn't even eat that much.
I love, why'd you take it apart? Need help? Can you help me?
Hands are dirty. Use your other hand to help her put the stick back.
She's trying so hard.
No.
Yeah, don't put your oily fingers on it. Yay!
Wow. Alright, time to try it. 8 out of 10.
I did it. Say thank you.
I'm still on the hunt. The best house on.
Fine. Okay, the Pop Mart craze don't stop. Let's go. Let's gotta get. Let's open these Hachipupu constellation ones. Okay, Isla, come here. Come here. I need your finger, baby. Silly. Come here. Here. Okay, let's just unbox it. Wait, Isla, wait. Okay, ready? Set, go. Good job. Oh my god, Pisces, so cute. Next. Next. Set, go. We got Gemini. Good job, Isla. Okay, we just need Sagittarius and Aquarius. For me, you and Daddy. We got Ian. Yay! Here they are. Look at this dude. Nah. What are you doing? See? Here, watch your dad. Set, go. Ready, set, go. Set, go. Ready, set, go. Huh? Whip it. Hello? Something flew down here. What was it? Babe! Babe! You're bait! You're bait! You're bait! Yes! Freaking water? I got it! Okay. Give me a look. What are you guys doing? Wait, give it to Uncle. Give it to Uncle. Give it to Uncle. Give it to Uncle. Did you not see it go flying? Oh my goodness, dude. Here, JB has it here. Nah, I'm done with you. I'm done with you. How do you not see your bait flying? You lucky it was here. No, thank you. Okay, take 2 and this time the bait is secure. Set, go. Ready, set, go. Whip it, whip it, whip it. Fling it. Huh? Not the bait though. Babe, are you dead up? What are you doing? warn you about that. I'm so sorry. You might want to move up. You might want to, sir, you might want to move up. Yeah. Okay, this time he's not going to lose it because he's using eel as bait now. Huh? 2 times losing the bait was crazy. While casting. 3 will be ridiculous. Let's see how he does this time. And set, go. Ready, set, go. There you go. That's the one. Okay, yup. Yay! Success! 3rd time's the charm, day! Great. How was it? How was the struggle? Huh?
Struggle is real.
Okay, pole number 2. Let's go, let's go get. Okay, Adrian said to do hayas. Okay. Ready, set, go. Set. Yeah! I didn't even know if he lost his bait or what. That's funny. What happened? Huh? What happened?
Lost his line, I think.
Ah.
I thought it was such cool, dude.
Whip him hard, huh? You didn't do the hiya!
Oh, sorry, I was excited. That's good.
Not the bait though. Babe, are you dead up? What are you doing?
Oh my god, Mel?
Oh shoot. Is that your light or mine? Oh, it's mine. Damn it. Why does what does the flash turn on? Whoa. What? Can't say. Bug. What happened? The heck is that? Ow!
Are you satisfied?
I'm using your phone as a voice.
Wow, the camera has better eyes than my actual eyes. Ow! Why are you running? Look at the back of
Turtle, bro.
Turtle?
Go right.
Oh no! Run! Oh my god!
Oh, it doesn't want to stop.
Was that what it was like when you caught a turtle? Wait, not the bait though. Yeah!